A 26-year-old man from Kerala died allegedly by suicide last week. Hours later, a post appeared on his Instagram, a note he had scheduled to go live after his death. In it, he alleged that members of the RSS sexually abused him when he was a child. He wrote that the trauma had haunted him for years. The post has sparked outrage and calls for a probe. But beyond the investigation, his story raises a difficult question, one many adult survivors of childhood sexual abuse face. If the assault happened years ago, can you still go to the police as an adult? What does the law actually allow? The alleged abuse happened around 2002-2003, before the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, or POCSO, came into effect in 2012. POCSO cannot be applied retroactively. Any case now would rely on the laws in force at the time. For penetrative sexual assault, Section 377 of the IPC could apply, and for serious offences, the CRPC imposes no limitation period. Cases can be filed at any time, even by adults. But before POCSO and the 2013 criminal law amendments, the law was limited. Non-penetrative sexual abuse of boys was not recognized as a crime, and the definition of rape under Section 375 IPC applied mainly to vaginal penetration of women. Only penetrative acts could potentially be prosecuted under Section 377, and even then, the law was narrow. Besides, the law on paper doesn't always match reality. Cases filed years later are often scrutinized closely. Evidence may be lost, memories fade, and the accused may claim a fair trial is impossible. That doesn't mean justice is denied. But survivors often have to explain the delay and provide whatever supporting evidence they can. These survivors often carry years of fear, shame, or confusion. They may take time to recognize what happened as abuse, especially when the abuser is powerful or part of a trusted institution. The Kerala case highlights a broader reality. For abuse that occurred before POCSO, particularly non-penetrative abuse, the law offered little protection. Even today, survivors face legal gaps, stigma, and the fear of not being believed. While laws like POCSO have strengthened protections for children, they cannot retroactively cover abuse before 2012. The right to justice exists, but accessing it demands courage, and a system willing to meet that courage with empathy, not doubt. I'm Lakshmi Priya, and this is Shortcut, where we break down stories that matter under 3 minutes. Stay tuned for the next one.